G'day, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to Mad for Mondays. I'm here in Singapore and I have Tony Tam with me and he's going to let you know what he does and how he makes a difference to his weeks on a Monday.
Hi, good day everyone. Thank you for having me today. So my name is Tony and I'm the Deputy CEO of an IT organization in Singapore. It's called Imperium Solutions. So we provide cybersecurity solutions to some of the government agencies and Fortune 500 firms. And we have a tagline in this company. Our tagline is very simple. We help people and our employees to work better, sleep better. So for the coming week, we are going to be very faithful to our tagline. We will go out there to help our customers to secure their digital environment so that they can have a great working environment, a safer environment to work with. At the same time, I'll continue to value add to my staff through training and optimization programs so that they too can sleep better, work better. So hopefully all of us can have a great experience and can leave my tagline and see it to fruition.
Wow, that's so important. Do you know, I got hacked. I was actually ransomed by another company twice and we were looked after by computer companies in Australia. So having that security really does make you feel so much safer. And I'm so glad to hear you train your teams. How cool is that? Because that's what we do. Anyway, have a great Monday and we'll speak to you soon.
See you soon. Take care.
Bye.